Hey guys, today we are making these beautiful chocolate chip blueberry cookies. I love this recipe so much because it's so simple to make, no mixer is needed, they only take 15 minutes of chill time, and they are this gorgeous purple. The trick to keeping them purple is to use baking powder instead of baking soda in the dough. The baking soda causes a chemical reaction, causing the dough to become a beautiful blue color, but for this recipe, I wanted to keep them this gorgeous purple. They're gluten-free, nut-free, eggless, and can easily be made vegan with a few tweaks. So come on, let's make them. We're going to start off by melting our butter about halfway, then whisk, and the residual heat will melt the rest. Then we're going to take our frozen wild blueberries, microwave them in 20-second increments until there are about 2 tablespoons remaining. Take our gluten-free flour, baking powder, kosher salt, and then we're just going to whisk until combined. Next, we're going to mix our water and cornstarch until it is thin and watery. Into the butter, we're going to add our granulated sugar, the cornstarch water, and just whisk until fully combined. Next, add in half of our dry ingredients, fold in those jammy blueberries, add in the second half of the dry ingredients, and mix until combined. If it's being difficult, clean hands are your friends, and that will really help. Next, add in our chocolate chips, and once again, if they're being difficult, just use hands. Chill for about 15 minutes, and now we're ready to scoop. We're going to scoop out the dough into a ball and then flatten it into a disc. Once flattened, we're going to press it into the chocolate chips, and it's that simple. Bake for 15 minutes and enjoy. I hope you guys love these cookies as much as we do. So good. Thanks so much for watching. You can find the complete recipe with step-by-step photos on the blog Lean and Gray Fare, which I have linked below. And for more decadent gluten-free, nut-free, and egg-free recipes, make sure to like and subscribe. And if you want to see more recipe videos just like this one, make sure to ring the notification bell so you never miss a single recipe. Thanks so much.